Good morning students, myself Pankaj Kumar and welcome to my class. In last video we have discussed profit and loss and we have solved some question from the exercise 15.1. Today also we'll continue with this exercise 15.1. Okay, so here we have question number 5. A shopkeeper sold ring for rupees 1040, okay, at a loss of rupees 908. Then find the cost price of the ring. A shopkeeper sold a ring for rupees 1040. That means this is selling price here. Okay. Now at a loss of rupees 908. That means this is loss is here. Okay. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out cost price. Okay. So loss is given. Then according to loss we have to use the formula in this question. Okay. So what are the things are given here? What are the things given here? Selling price is given, that is 1040. Loss is given, that is 908 rupees. Then what will be the formula to find CP? So according to loss we have to use the formula here. So CP equal to SP plus loss. CP is equal to SP plus loss. Now put the value here. CP is equal to 1040 rupees plus 908 rupees. When we add, we'll get here 1948. This will be the answer. Okay, this will be the answer of this question. Understood? Now next question. This is question number 6. Rakhi bought a cycle for rupees 2250 and spent rupees 25 on its transportation. She sold it at a loss of rupees 475. For how much did she sell the cycle? So here we have to find out selling price. So what are the things given here? 2250 is here. Rakhi bought a cycle for rupees 2250. That means this is here cost price. Okay, and spent rupees 25. That means this is overhead expenses. Okay, this is what? This is overhead expenses. Okay, on its transportation she sold it at a loss of 475. This is loss here. Okay, now we have to find out selling price of cycle. Selling price of the cycle. Okay, so what are the things given here? Selling price of the cycle is given, that is 2250. Transportation charge is given, that is 25 rupees. Then we have to find out here total cost price. Okay, total cost price. So total cost price equal to selling price plus overhead expenses. Okay, so selling price is here 2250 plus 25 rupees. When we add, we'll get here 2275. Okay, this will be total. This will be the total cost price. Now we have to see this cost price, not this one. Okay. Now we have to find out selling price. Selling price we have to find out. So loss also is given here. Loss equal to 475. Okay. Now we have to find out selling price. So according to that we have to use the formula in this question. Okay. Then what will be the formula to find selling price? Selling price equal to total cost price minus loss. Total cost price minus loss. Okay, when we subtract, we'll get here 1800. We'll get here 1800. Okay, now question number 7. Rinki sold a suit length for rupees 2050 and suffered a loss of rupees 225. Find the cost price of the suit length. Find the cost price of the suit length. Okay, so 2050 is here selling price SP and 225 is here loss. Okay, so according to loss we have to use the formula for CP. So here we have selling price of the suit length, that is 2050 rupees. Loss is given, that is 225 rupees. Now according to loss we have to use the formula for CP, and CP equal to selling price plus loss. Selling price plus loss. Okay, I use the value When we add, we'll get here 2275. This is the answer of this question. Okay. Now this is extra question that this is not in your exercise 15.1. So Mr. Ravi bought a washing machine for rupees 15,000 and sold it for rupees 17,000. Find his profit or loss percent. Find his profit or loss percent. So cost price is here 15,000 and selling price is here 17,000. Okay. So here we have cost price of the washing machine 15,000, selling price of the washing machine, that is 17,000. So clearly you can see here selling price more than cost price. Selling price is more than cost price. Okay. So there is profit. Okay. So there is profit, then we have to find out profit. So profit equal to selling price minus cost price. Okay. When we put the value, we'll get here 2000 profit. Okay. Understood? Now here we got profit, then we have to find out profit percent. We have to find out profit percent. So profit percent equal to profit by CP into 100. Profit by CP into 100. So profit here we have 2000, CP here we have 15,000 into 100. Okay. When we reduce the term, 20 cancel by these 20, 10 cancel by this 0. Okay. Now 5, 3 is a 15, 5, 40 is a 200. Okay. Now here we have 40 by 3. When we divide, we'll get here 13.3. Okay. 13.3. This is the profit percent. Understood? Next, Nimi sold her television for rupees 30,000 at a loss of 5,000. Find the cost price of the television. Find the cost price of the television. So selling price is given here. This is selling price and this is loss. Okay. So we have to find out cost price of the television. So we have selling price of the television, loss, then according to loss we have to use the formula to find out cost price. So cost price equal to selling price plus loss. Now use the value 30,000 plus 5,000. When we add, we'll get here 35,000. Okay. This will be the answer of this question. Okay. So children, today I have solved more questions from the exercise, and apart from that I have given 2 more extra questions to you. I hope everything is clear to you. Thank you.